Good morning class 6 students. Let us revise chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Today is 24th May and today we will revise some important topics of chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. The first is making numbers from the digits. Okay, you have been given some digits and you are supposed to make smallest and greatest number from the given digits. So what will be the smallest number? For making smallest number, we need to find out the smallest digit. Which is the smallest digit? The smallest digit is 3 and the second one is 4, then 5 and then 9. Okay, so smallest number will be 3459. What about greatest? Greatest number. So for making greatest number, we need to find out the greatest digit. Which is the greatest digit? It is 9, then 5, then 4 and 3. 9543 is the greatest digit. I hope you understood this question and we will discuss about it in the live class also. Okay, we have already discussed, and for the student whose live class has not been conducted, we will discuss properly about these in live class. Okay, next is number system. Number system, Indian and international. Okay, suppose you have been given a number. Okay, and you are willing to insert commas in the number and you are willing to express in first in Indian number system and secondly in international system. Okay, so this number has been given to you and you are willing to express in Indian number system, then let's start inserting comma in the number. Okay, in Indian number system, the first comma is placed after 3 digits and all the next will be placed after every 2 digits. Okay, so this is how we place comma in Indian number system. Let's write the name or let's call the name of the numbers according to Indian number place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this number is 73 crore, 45 lakh, 97,301. Okay, 73 crore, 45 lakh, 97,301. Okay, this is the expression of the number. This is number name and in this section we have inserted the commas in Indian number system. Okay, what about if the same number has to be expressed in international number system? Okay, let's write the number. In international number system, every comma is used to be inserted after 3 digits. Okay, and when we call the names, when according to international number system place value, it would be like ones 100,000, sorry, ones tens 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so it will be 734,597,301. Okay, so let's write 734,597,301. Okay, this expression is in international number system. Remember, in Indian number system, first comma is used to be placed after 3 digits and then others are placed after every 2 digits. But in international number system, all the commas used to be placed after 3 digits. Okay, this was making numbers and it is expression of numbers in Indian number system and international system. Next is ascending or descending order or increasing or decreasing order. Okay, let's see. Next topic is estimation. Let's take an example of 410. 410 is nearer to which one? 400 or 500? We can see that 410 is nearer to 400. Okay. Next 450 is nearer to which one? 400 or 500? We can see here 450 is nearer to 500. Okay. 425 is nearer to 400. 475 is nearer to 500. Okay. 450, we can say that it between, okay, between these two, but it is a convention when there is 50 or more than that, we move forward, not backward. Okay, whenever you have been given 750 or 755, you will move towards 800, not 700. Okay, 35 has been given, so you will move towards 40. It is estimating till 10th place तक estimate हो रहा है. Okay, and if we are willing to estimate nearest 100, then if it is 735, then it will be estimated as 700. If it is 755, then it will be estimated as 800. Okay, there is no rigid rule of estimation. Always remember, there is no rigid rule of estimation when you want to estimate the outcomes of a number. The procedure depends on the degree of accuracy required and how quickly the estimation is needed. The most important thing is that how sensible the guessed answer would be. Okay, is this answer make sense? Then your estimation is correct. If it is not, then your answer can vary. Okay, now next is general estimation in general rule. What is estimation in general rule? Suppose you have been given a number or a sum. For example, in the exercise, the first question, estimate each of the following using general rule. A is 730 plus 998. What is estimation in general rule? Estimation in general rule means first estimate the given numbers and then do the operation. For example, 730 will be 700 and 998 will be equal to 1000 and it will be equal to 1700. Okay, if the question will not include general. That means question would be estimate. Then you can add these and then estimate the result. But if in question it is given estimate in general rule, then first you estimate the given numbers and then do the operation. Here addition has been given, so you first estimate these two and then add. Okay, so it was about estimation. Next is Roman numerals. So everybody look at Roman numerals. Roman numerals, okay. The Roman numerals are indicated by first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, this denote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 respectively. Okay, this is followed by xi for 11, xii for 12 and so on. Okay, there are some more Roman numerals. For example, L denotes 50, C denotes 100, D denotes 500, M denotes 1000. Okay, 1000. Okay, some rules are: if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as its occur. For example, here I has been repeated 2 times, so 1 I is equal to 1, so 2 i's will be equal to 2, 3 i's will be equal to 3. Okay, but a symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So here we cannot write 4 as like this. This will be wrong. Okay, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added. For example, Vi. V denotes 5 and I denotes 1. Symbol of a smaller value has been written to the right of the greater value. This is equal to 6 because it is added. Okay, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of a greater value, its value is subtracted. For example, IV. Here I denotes 1 and V denotes 5. 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. Okay. Next, symbols V and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That means V, L and D are never subtracted. It cannot be written to the left of a symbol of greater value. Okay. The symbol I can be subtracted only from V and X. Okay. The symbol X can only be subtracted from L, M and C. Okay. So this was all about Roman numerals. There is a question. Try to find out which number is not expressed, which digit cannot be expressed in Roman numerals. Okay, that means these are symbols for Roman numerals. Which digit is missing here? I want an answer in the next class. Thank you.